Hello, welcome everyone. This class is for class 7 English version. So today we are going to talk about a creative question from your book, chapter 3, number 26. Okay, so I've changed the values a little bit. First of all, the base and height of a parallelogram are 60 meter and 20 meter respectively. In your book, you will find that the values are given 40 meter and 30 meter. I've changed that. First question is define parallelogram. Second question, determine the area of parallelogram. And third question, if the area of the parallelogram is equal to this area of a square, find the perimeter of the square. First of all, definition 1a. Definition: quadrilateral. The parallelogram is a kind of quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel to each other. Then you can say it as parallelogram. The next question, B, determine the area of the parallelogram. Here in this picture you can see that the base is 60 meter and the height is 20 meter. I recommend all of you to draw the picture of from the given informations so that it will be easier to find the solution. Okay. First of all, in given base AB equal to 60 meter and height CD CE is 20 meter. So in case of parallelogram, we know that if you multiply base and height, then you will find the area of the parallelogram. So your base is 60 meter and height is 20 meter. So if you multiply both of them, you will find the answer, area of the parallelogram 1200 square meter. So let's proceed to the next map. If the area of the parallelogram is equal to the area of a square, find the perimeter of the square. So in case of finding the area of the parallelogram, we know base into height, but in order to find the area of a square, the formula is a square unit. All of you just remember writing, if there is no unit is given, you have to write square unit. So from the given information B, we have found that the area of the parallelogram is 1200 square meter. So from the given statement of the question, we can see that the area of a square is equal to area of a parallelogram. So now a square equal to 1200. Okay. Now we have to find the square root. What is the square root of a square? Is a. If you ask, just multiply a into a, the outcome will be a square. So the square root is of a square is a. Now we have to find the square root of 1200. So in order to find this, you have to just do some tricky little thing. You have to find the prime factorization here. So in order to find the prime factorization, just divide 1200 by 2, you will get 600. Now 2 also goes into 600, you will find 300. Then 300 can be divided by 2 also, so 150. Then you can proceed 75, then it goes doesn't go with 2, so now we'll proceed with 3. 3 goes into 75, so the outcome is 25. Then after it you'll find 5 into 5, which is 25. So we can write them in multiplicative form. So if you write them in multiplicative form, you will get it, that's 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. So what you have to do is, for every pair you will just take one of them. For every pair in here 2 into 2, you will have to take only 1 2. In this case 2 into 2, just take only 1. But for these 3 there is no pair, so just keep it aside. And for this 5 into 5, you will have to take only 5, and as there was no root of 3, so we have write it like root 3 as you couldn't find it. So the ultimate result is 2 into 2 into 5 root 3, which is 20 root 3. Okay, so what you have find the one side of a square, which is a equal to 20 root 3. Now the ultimate question was the perimeter of the square. So just think of it, what is the perimeter? Perimeter is just like the boundary of something. You have to just add the boundaries of anything. If the lengths are 2, 3, 4, 5 of a quadrilateral, you have to just add all of them, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So the ultimate result is 40. In case of square, it is quite easy. 2, 2, 2, 2. So which is 8. Some of you face some difficulty while doing root over related problems. So just think of if you have 1 paisa plus 2 paisa, the ultimate is 3 paisa. If you have 3 cows, then 2 cows, you write it 5 cows. And like algebraic expression 2x, 3x, you just find 5x. Okay, so there is kind of interesting fact, 20 root 3, then 20 root 3, the ultimate is 20 plus 20, just write it 40, and you don't have to calculate this root 3, you just put them as root 3, nothing, you have to do nothing more than that. After that, another 20 root 3, so 40 plus 20, which is 60, and root 3, keep it like this, and last of all another 20 root 3, so ultimate result is 60 plus 20 is 80, and root 3 remains the same. So in order to do, I give you another example. If you have root 2, 2 root 2 plus 3 root 2, the ultimate result will be 2 plus 3, which is 5, and root 2. If you have 3 root 3 plus 4 root 3, so the ultimate result 7 root 3 will get it. I think all of you got precise idea about root 3 related problem or root related problem. If you have to keep the root aside while you are adding all of them, and add the coefficients before that. So the ultimate result, perimeter of the square is 80 root 3 meter. Just remind that perimeter. So if you see that meter, so the ultimate is meter. Okay, if you are given to find the area, then it would be meter square. So that's all from today. If you want to find all of my lectures, keep watching all the videos, and please subscribe and keep the bell icon pressing, so that if I upload any video, you will get notifications. So thanks all of you.